Okay, guys, another $1,000 plus day for our daily profit. Here we have put a buy trade for 5 standard lots, and you can see that I entered this trade because I saw dollar yen finding support right here. Okay, and that was it. And then I used a little bit of trend line here, somewhat like this. Okay, and that's all it took. I saw the price bouncing at this point, and I decided to put a buy trade in, and we are currently up about 23 pips, and that is about profit. It is $1,000, almost exactly. Okay, so dollar yen, there it is. Simple support, okay, and simple trend line. Okay, third touch, fourth touch, fifth touch of trend line, and that's it, man. 20 pips. Okay, I am currently up about 20 pips, right? So 22 pips. 20 pips can change your life. 20 pips daily, this can change your life. So focus on getting pips, guys. Right now, yeah, I told you I put 5 standard lot, put a buy trade in there, so I'm currently up about $1,000. But man, the money, the size of your lot, it's going to change gradually if you just simply focus on getting the pips and technically being right. Okay, so work on that, and you'll be, all right. 20 pips a day, and this can change your life. So there it is. If you're interested in the course, don't forget to send the email to me, and you'll get started. Okay, bye.